This is Pranayama, life force deep breathing. We begin this class to clear out the mind, and also it improves the lung capacity. Let's begin in mountain pose. Toes and heels together, please. Interlace your fingers underneath your chin and glue your knuckles to your chin. Rise up through the crown of the spine. Nice and tall and straight, nice soft and steady gaze straight forward. You're going to inhale through your nose 6 counts and exhale out your mouth 6 counts, moving the elbows with the flow of the breath. Let's begin. Inhaling through the nose, nice little vibration at the back of the throat, stretch up tall, and exhale out the mouth, eyes look back, knuckles press against the chin. Slowly bring the elbows together and press them together in front of the shoulders. Inhale, slowly drop the chin down and rise the elbows up. Shoulders are coming down as the elbows come up, belly in, kneecaps lifted nice and tall. Exhale, nice ha sound. Look back, straight spine, squeeze the hips, buttocks, and thighs. Squeeze the breath out, elbows touch. Inhaling, nice and slow, learning to regulate the flow of the breath. Make it nice and smooth. Use the whole 6 counts. Increases the lung capacity. Exhale, nice and smooth, squeezing out the toxic waste. This helps you de-stress the mind and improve the circulation of the blood in the body. And relax with your arms down by your sides. Back to mountain pose, where we land in each of the standing poses